All right, good evening to you from the Storm Alert Center. This is lead forecaster Daniel Wilson alongside storm anchor Keith Richardson. We're following severe weather moving into the area. As we look at the latest radar imagery, we see the storm that's impacting both Greene and Taylor County with a severe thunderstorm warning. This severe thunderstorm warning is again for Greene and Taylor. And if you're in the northern part of Adair County, some of the rain and precipitation should be entering your area very soon. And we're continuing to watch that cell between Litchfield and Hodgensville moving to the southeast. And if you're trying to figure out where in the thunder that is and everything, this is the storm that we're watching. This cell right here where I've drawn the circles. That's the cluster of thunderstorms. They're pulsating. They can be severe one moment, not severe the next. They're pulsating, and it's likely we'd have large hail associated with these storms as they move through. So again, we have a severe thunderstorm warnings all back to the west, northwest, moving to the southeast, which means that they will be moving in our immediate direction. If you are in the path of these storms, you should seek shelter immediately. That would be, again, for Greene and Taylor County. This storm warning is in effect until 10:30 Central Time, about another 15 minutes from now, and you still have time to get in a relatively safe place. Again, this is a storm warning. Litchfield is under the gun as the storms move through Grayson County. Some of the areas affected by this storm, the one farthest to the east would be south central Nelson County, Greene County, LaRue, southwestern Marion, northeastern Hart, and the northwestern part of Taylor County. And Keith, as we watch these storms move through, they've dumped a lot of hail. Now we have of course, we're not going to dwell on this, have a tornado warning around Irvine, Kentucky. This tornado warning, I think that looks about like Estill or Lee County, Estill and Lee County over in the eastern part of the state, near Beattyville, have a tornado warning there and severe thunderstorm warnings back to the northwest of us. And Keith, we've been watching this. What's the latest information you have?
Well, I've been watching this cell there to the southwest of Greensburg, and it, like you was mentioning just a while ago about it pulsating, it has re-intensified itself. And as I look on the Storm Alert Center tower cam outside, looking back that direction, it is just absolutely like the 4th of July with the lightning.
Well, that's one thing. Of course, there's not every time can we show you all the graphics that we have and everything that we do. It's pretty much impossible because people lose. I don't know the word. It's like, oh my gosh, this is going to be bad. And some of the graphics that I have, I could show you, and it would scare you if you didn't know what you were looking at. And we indicated on some of our lightning detection of future radars that an impressive light show that would be here in the area tonight as a result of these storms as they make their way through the area. Storm tracking has Greensburg by 10:23, Campbellsville 10:32, Jacktown and Nifley between 10:47 and 10:50. That would be Central Time, and those folks in Casey County will be on the Eastern Time Zone. So that'll be 1150 if you are over in Jacktown. So the storms are moving into Adair County. As of right now, we don't have a special weather statement from the storm that's moving from Campbellsville, or from Greene County rather, over into Adair. We still do not have any special weather statement saying that storm warning could possibly be extended into the northern part of Adair County. Keith?
Daniel, I just got a report from Junction City, a photo sent to me of the severe thunderstorm that rolled through Danville and Harrodsburg there earlier. I've got reports, and I got a photo of trees down on Airport Road. So if you're on Airport Road, you need to avoid Airport Road in Junction City.
And I think that'd be in Boyle County.
Yes, in Boyle County.
Boyle County,
yes.
Junction.
Yep.
So, got reports of trees down there. But again, right now we show the following warnings. And in addition to the Greene and Taylor County warning, we do have for eastern Grayson, southwestern Hardin, northeastern Edmonson County, and for central Hart County. So these storms are all moving at this point still in the eastward southeast direction. And they're running at about 40 miles per hour. Heavy rainfall is likely with these storms as well as they move through. We're going to go ahead and take a break at this point. And if there's a warning issued for Adair County, we'll be back on the air to bring that information to you. But you can see that the track of these storms, this cluster of thunderstorm cells, as they move from basically Hartford, Beaver Dam area in western Kentucky to the southeast, out of Litchfield. It's over in Grayson County, Edmonton County. Those are the regions that we're watching now. That's where all the storm warnings are in effect. If you want to hit the share button, you're more than welcome to. Tell people we have severe weather coverage here on the Storm Alert Weather Center, your weather authority. We will be back as necessary. If there's a warning issued for Adair County, we will let you know about it and keep you updated and informed as we go into the 11 o'clock hour. On behalf of Storm Anchor Keith Richardson, this is lead forecaster Daniel Wilson saying thank you for joining us, and stay around. If warnings are issued farther for our area, we'll be the first to